In this TeamWork 5 Manager tutorial, I'm going to show you how to view your messages. To do that, go to your top menu bar and click on TeamWork. Make sure you have your enterprise or location selected, then click on Collaboration. You should arrive at your collaboration home page. To view a specific message, click on that message, and the details will come up. I can see when the message was effective, the title, and any notes. To exit out of this message, scroll down and click Close. Only your current active messages will appear in this section. To view all of your messages, go to the top menu bar and click on Messages. Now you will be taken to a list of all your messages. Right now, I am seeing the recent messages. I can see 3 messages that have recently been created. If I only want to view alerts, I can click on Alerts, and any alerts that are currently in effect will show up. So if I click on Hot Water Outage, I can see the details of this alert. This message is letting me know that the hot water is out on the 3rd floor until the weekend. I can also see who created this message. And notice the replies are off, meaning no one can reply to this. If you want to view all of your messages, including the old ones, click All, and in here you will see all of your alerts and messages. If I click on one of these messages, I can see the title of that message, Vegetarian Options, the question or the notes in that message, will there be vegetarian options too, and who created this message and when. Kat created this message in July. Notice next to replies there is an add button on this message. That means I can reply to this message. That's how you can view messages in TeamWork 5. To learn how to reply to a message, check out the next video.